to jump 15,000 feet, and there's a little message for all cancer survivors. I'm a cancer survivor. Life doesn't stop after cancer. What I'm going to do, you can do that as well. I'm an adventure sports enthusiast. In my last 15 years of adventure sports, I would have tried my hands with everything possible, be it rock climbing, be it scuba diving, or be it bungee jumping. But there's something which was missing from my list, something which really tests the human ability, which is skydiving. Also, I'm a cancer survivor and I am a knee replacement. So this dream is very special for me because it really tests my ability to prove that I can do something, and a message to people like me all over that life doesn't have to stop after cancer. So my dream was to skydive from the adventure sports capital of the world, New Zealand, at 15,000 feet. That's the highest possible level that one can skydive from. I think my journey with Loud started 3 years back when I joined the organization, and that's where I understood there's an event called Loud, wherein the company sponsors a dream of the employees. The journey even started before applying to Loud, where I had to take permission from my doctors and from my wife to attempt a skydive 15,000 feet. I think once the permission was received, the rest was settled. Then I started researching for the best possible locations across the world where I can skydive and with my knee condition. That's where I zeroed on to New Zealand, and that's where I made my presentation and I applied. What happened after that was I was fortunate, I won the event and the company sponsored my dream. What happened after that was intense physiotherapy to make sure that my strength is built up. In case of an eventual impact at the ground, I should be able to bear the impact. So I think that's the journey began of 3 months of rigorous physiotherapy for my health and my knee. Once everything else was settled down, then I zeroed on onto a date where I would want to travel, depending upon the weather condition. The travel and the journey to New Zealand in itself is nothing less than a skydive. It was about a 24-hour journey to New Zealand. We identified a day on which I would want to skydive, but it had to be cancelled. And this was cancelled not once, not twice, but thrice. By the end of the third cancellation, I had lost all hopes that I would be able to skydive in the weather conditions. But finally, on the 4th attempt, we were able to skydive. And that's where the day came in, where I was able to fulfill my dream of diving 15,000 feet. The journey was amazing. The journey really tests yourself, and the journey really helps you to put your passion and your dream out in the open to be fulfilled. Everyone has a dream, big or small. My personal belief is that if God gives you a dream, He also gives you the capability to achieve it. And if you're a Godrejite, the Godrej will also give you the necessary resources and the opportunity to fulfill your dream. So go out, put in your passion, and make sure you go and achieve your dream. Also, as Godrej always says, you're more than your role. So what you're doing from 9 to 5 is something which is beyond you. This is an opportunity for you to apply and make sure you complete your dream. So do it. This is one chance where you can get to complete your Loud. So go live out your dream. Thank you, Godrej. Thank you, Godrej Loud. You guys rock, man.